Congratulations to everyone who ran. Amazing. আমি জানতাম না যে এত সুন্দর একটা অনুষ্ঠান. I didn't know that there would be such a lovely run, a half marathon in Bangladesh, in Dhaka. So I really like the fact that I got to learn about the Bandarban Run, Fox Bazaar, Chittagong. There's so many more. So inshallah next time, maybe I'll join you and run. Maybe we can practice right here. So yes, and definitely you should be encouraged more. There should be more participation of people of all abilities, people, men, women, whatever we can do to help them. So yes, to encourage keeping fit. And I believe we're ambassadors, 74-year-olds and everyone else. They said love life, stay fit. So yes, that's the motto with which we should continue. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, everyone. And thank you once again. Sports patron of Bangladesh, a very much a sports enthusiast, daughter of our Honorable Prime Minister, Barrister Zaima Zarnaz Rahman. Thank you very much, and we also have with us Mr. MD Aminul Haq.
এইটার মাধ্যমে আমরা কিভাবে আপামর জনসাধারণকে ভালো করতে পারি, যেমন আমার একটা ব্যক্তিগত উদ্যোগ আছে, প্রচুর খেলা মাঠ আছে আমাদের, বা আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা মাঠকে মেনটেন করে বাচ্চাদেরকে মাঠে আনার সকল ব্যবস্থা নিতে পারি সরকারের সাথে হাতে হাত মিলিয়ে।
All right, great. So that's it from us. Now I'd like to request all the winners who are
One more, please. Ready? 1,